Hello students, myself Archana Varude from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video we completed series inductor filter and capacitor filter, and after watching this video you will be able to understand how the choke input filter works. This is the circuit diagram for choke input filter. This choke input filter is also known as LC filter or L-type filter, and here four diodes are used, then inductor is used, capacitor and resistors are also used, and this is the input. And if we observe the circuit diagram for choke input filter, it is observed that it is the combination of series inductor filter and also shunt capacitor filter, and therefore it is known as a LC filter. See here, if we observe this inductor and capacitor, they are connected in series, and that is series inductor filter. And if we observe this combination, that is capacitor that is across load resistor, that is called as shunt capacitor, and therefore this is the combination of series inductor, that is L filter, and shunt capacitor filter, that is C filter. Therefore it is named as L type filter or LC type filter. And this filter is also known as choke input filter, and it consists of a choke, that is inductor L, connected in series with the rectifier output, and a filter capacitor C across the load resistor denoted by RL. And only single LC filter section is shown, but we use several identical LC sections to reduce the pulsations as effectively as possible. And we know that when we take the output of rectifier, it contains AC component as well as DC component, and this pulsating output of the rectifier, it is given to that inductor, and the choke L at the input of a filter radially passes the DC component from the rectifier because its DC resistance R is very small, but it opposes the AC pulsations. That means it opposes the AC component present in the input, and a small AC pulsation that remains after it passes through the choke is bypassed by the capacitor C connected across the load resistor, but it prevents the DC component to flow through it, and therefore we get only the DC component at the load resistor. And in this way the filter circuit filters out the AC component from a rectifier output, and it allowing to pass only the DC component through the load resistor, and the ripples are reduced effectively because of the inductive reactance XL is much greater than the capacitive reactance denoted by Xc, and here this Xc, that is capacitive reactance, is much smaller than the value of RL. And this graph shows the output voltage waveforms for input as well as output. Here for this choke filter we use the rectifier output, and here these are the rectified outputs, they are input to this filter. And when we use that inductor and capacitor, and at last we find the output waveforms or output voltage at that load resistor RL, then it is observed that these are the output waveforms, and these are called as filtered output, because first that rectified output is given to the inductor, then it is given to the capacitor, and therefore at the load resistor we find these output waveforms. And if we observe these output waveforms, it is clear that here In filter output there is a very small amount of AC component. It provides the maximum number of DC component. Then advantages of choke filter. First is it has very low ripple factor as compared to the series inductor filter and shunt capacitor filter. Second is it has better voltage regulation. Third is it has high output DC voltage. Fourth is it is suitable for heavy load and light loads, and it has no loading effect on the rectifier and power transformer. Then what are the disadvantages of choke filter? It produces the audible sound due to the inductor at the output. It becomes costly due to the use of large value of an inductor. There is a loss of power in series inductor L due to its DC resistance. It cannot be used together with a half wave rectifier. It has higher ripple factor than that of pi type filter, and it has lower output DC voltage than that of pi type filter. That's all about choke filter or LC filter. Thank you.